Controlled receiving prevents damage and preserves component integrity.
Digital registration establishes full traceability from the first step. Physical segregation prevents non-conforming material from entering production. Accurate kitting ensures uninterrupted, error-free line feeding.
Line startup verifies equipment readiness before any boards are processed.
Correct stencil setup ensures precise solder deposition. SPI calibration establishes a baseline for solder quality control. Verified feeder loading prevents component placement errors. Automated placement ensures speed and positional accuracy. Automated optical inspection verifies placement and solder quality. Stable flow maintains throughput and repeatable quality. Sampling inspection balances quality assurance and efficiency.
Clean depaneling prevents mechanical stress on solder joints.
ICT confirms correct assembly and basic electrical integrity. Unique identification links each board to its test history. Controlled transfer protects boards during line transition. Final assembly integrates electronics with the lightweight chassis. Torque control prevents damage to the thin chassis. Automated checks eliminate missed or extra screws. Routing verification prevents pinched or reversed cables. Correct battery placement is critical for safety and balance. Accurate heatsink alignment ensures efficient heat transfer. Controlled tightening protects the processor and board.
Connection verification prevents thermal failures.
Precise keyboard fit ensures user comfort and durability.
Automated checks prevent misalignment defects. Accurate touchpad placement ensures smooth user interaction. Presence checks ensure all input devices are installed. Hinge brackets provide the structural interface for the display. Secure display connection ensures reliable video output. Routing verification prevents signal loss and cable wear. Controlled fastening maintains rigidity without adding weight. Flushness checks ensure structural and cosmetic quality. Completed assemblies move to end-of-line verification. Fixtures standardize conditions for reliable functional testing.
Comprehensive tests confirm user-facing functions.
RF testing ensures stable wireless connectivity. RF validation is required for portable electronics compliance. Only fully compliant units proceed to final processing. Visual checks ensure the product meets appearance standards. Burn-in detects early life failures under controlled load. Retesting confirms corrective actions were effective. Only verified units rejoin the main flow.
Complete kits prevent missing item complaints.
Protective packaging guards the lightweight product during transport. Sealing protects contents and preserves product integrity.
Secondary packaging adds transport protection. Labeled cartons maintain traceability through logistics. Case packing prepares units for efficient palletizing. Consistent stacking protects cartons and optimizes space.
Wrapped pallets remain stable during transport. Racked storage protects goods until shipment.
Controlled segregation ensures compliant electronics recycling. Baling reduces volume and improves recycling efficiency.
Proper storage prevents environmental and safety risks.
Staging aligns shipments with transport schedules.
Seals protect cargo integrity during transport. Archived records support traceability and audits.
Finished products move on to global distribution.
Routine cleaning preserves print quality for future runs.
Controlled teardown prevents loss and mix-ups.
Orderly shutdown supports fast, error-free restart.
Scrap analysis drives continuous improvement. Environmental control protects sensitive electronics processes.
Updated procedures keep operations standardized. The facility transitions smoothly after a completed run. The line stands ready for the next build.
Manifest is ready for sign-off, confirming collection.
Thank you.
And a copy for your records.
System closure finalizes the production order.
Reusing accessories reduces waste and cost.
Lockout tags are in place on the main disconnect. Power verified off. Amber status lights are steady. Audits confirm packaging accuracy after shipment preparation.
Clean ESD floors protect future electronic assemblies.
Archive data preserves full manufacturing traceability.
Okay team, I've updated the yield for the shift. We're currently hitting 98.5%, which puts us ahead of target for the day.
The facility transitions to a controlled idle state. Production is complete and ready for the next cycle. Reset docks ensure readiness for the next shipment cycle. System status confirms a fully closed production run.
The factory stands prepared for the next production schedule.